Number 1. 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, $6,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 four-door sedan is equipped with its original inline six-cylinder engine and a fully rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. It was originally a 3-speed manual, but was professionally converted and now shifts smoothly, showing 44,000 miles with a clean title. This rear-wheel drive gasoline-powered sedan is finished in green. The interior has been refreshed with new upholstery and headliner, added sound deadening, replaced seals, a new gas tank and fuel lines, and re-chrome bumpers. A solid and quiet early 1960s cruiser at a very reasonable price. Number 2. 1968 Mustang Gold Nugget Special, $12,500, Edmonds, Washington. This rare Gold Nugget Special features its numbers matching 8-cylinder engine and comes with Marty Report documentation. It shows 56,000 miles with a clean title, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Originally a one-owner car, it received period upgrades, including fender flares, a 4-speed conversion, and high-back seats. A documented and collectible Mustang with authentic vintage appeal. Number 3. 1969 Chevrolet Bel Air, $7,995, Dallas, Texas. This 4-door sedan is powered by a 327 8-cylinder engine believed to be original, paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 46,000 original miles and a clean Texas title, it features a rust-free body with solid floors and frame. The brake system is new and all gauges and lights are functional. The paint shows some age, but the interior is nearly flawless with only minor imperfections. A dependable full-size classic ready for the road. Number 4. 1955 Buick Special, $17,000, Capitola, California. Powered by its stock 246 nailhead 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this Buick shows 75,000 miles with a clean title. The front suspension has been rebuilt and upgraded with disc brakes, power brakes, air conditioning, and a retro-style Bluetooth radio. It also includes new side glass, a strong mid-1950s Survivor, with tasteful modern improvements. Number 5. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, $20,000, Santee, California. This two-door sedan runs a 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. It has a clean title and the odometer has rolled over. Recent work includes a new gas tank, carburetor, battery and cooling system service. It runs and drives well, a classic 1957 Ford that is ready to enjoy with minimal additional work. Number 6. 1967 Mustang Coupe, $15,000, Vail, Arizona, located in Patagonia, Arizona. Showing just 29,500 original miles, this Mustang Coupe is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. It carries a clean title and is finished in black. Reported to be in excellent overall condition, this is a well-preserved example of the first redesigned Mustang generation. Number 7. 1959 Studebaker LARK Hot Rod, $8,000, Salem, Oregon. This two-door coupe is powered by a 327 Chevrolet 8-cylinder engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, 4.11 posi-traction rear end, and automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over and currently shows 79,000 miles. It features a straight body, good interior, and new tires. A lightweight sleeper with impressive performance potential. Number 8. 1964 Ford Thunderbird, $18,500, Manor, Texas. This black coupe is equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Showing 73,148 miles with a clean title, it runs and drives very well. A stylish mid-1960s personal luxury car with timeless presence. Number 9. 1966 Plymouth Valiant, $12,000, Odessa, Texas. Upgraded with a 360 engine featuring magnum heads and performance components, this Valiant is backed by a 904 automatic transmission and an 8.3 rear end with 3.23 gears and limited slip differential. It also includes Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Some rust is present, and most gauges are inoperative except for the odometer. Extra parts are included. A mechanically strong performance build with serious potential. Number 10. 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado, $11,900, Santa Clarita, California. Showing 67,628 original miles, this Toronado is powered by a 455 rocket 8-cylinder engine rated at 375 horsepower and paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in light blue with a white vinyl top, it is reported to be in excellent condition with a clean title and no major rust. A rare front-wheel drive big block luxury coupe. Number 11. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, $11,000, Peoria, Arizona. This Nova features a new 350 crate engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission, rebuilt rear end, four-wheel disc brakes, and a refreshed suspension system. The odometer is broken and shows 28,900 miles. It needs a hood and some rust repair under the hatch area. A solid mechanical foundation ready for finishing touches. Number 12. 1972 Buick GS Stage 1, $15,000, Cross Plains, Wisconsin. A genuine V-Code Stage 1 car, powered by a rebuilt 1970 455 engine, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and 3.42 positive traction rear end. The odometer has rolled over and shows 100,000 miles. The frame and floors are solid, though minor body patchwork is needed. Many extra parts are included. A valuable muscle car project with strong upside. Number 13. 1980 Triumph TR8 V8 Convertible, $14,500, Bend, Oregon. Powered by its original 3.5-liter Rover 8-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, this TR8 shows approximately 114,000 miles with the odometer rolled over. It is rust-free with working systems, a newer convertible top, service records, and spare parts included. A classic British roadster delivering true V8 performance.